What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to fix missing VCRUNTIME140 DLL error in Windows. For example, if you're starting program and you receive this message, unable to find VCRUNTIME140 DLL, or if you install a new software and you're getting the same error message. So two things you need to do. It's either you have to install Visual Runtime or you'll have to repair. So if you don't have it installed or if you have to repair, we still have to download the file. So open your internet browser and go to this website, and I'll put link in the description below. Right here, choose your language and then press on download. And in here, we need to choose correct operation system, either 64 or 32-bit. And if you don't know what system you have installed on your computer, you can press on start and then press on this little gear. It's going to take you to settings, and then in settings press on systems, and then in systems click on about. And right here you're going to be able to see it's either 64 or 32-bit operation system. It might say 86, but it's the same thing as 32. And then you can close this window and right here choose which one you have and then press on next. And it's going to take you to the screen and it's going to start downloading. And then once the download is complete, you'll see it right here. You can open file here, or you can just go to your file explorer and navigate to your downloads. And then in downloads, just double click on this file and we can minimize all the windows. And then in here, read terms and conditions and press check mark next to the licenses. And then click on install and then press right here. And that's it. Setup is successfully installed. Now try to reopen or rerun that same application, and that should have fixed the issue. But for example, if you have already runtime installed on your system and you download it, what you do right here, we'll close this, go back to your downloads and then double click on it. Then this window is going to appear. You can either uninstall and reinstall, or you can just press on repair. Again, yes, right here. And it's going to try to repair, and setup is successful. And again, try to rerun your application or reinstall, and that should fix this runtime issue. If this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.